Hello guys, welcome to this week's tutorial. I have crocheted this bag recently and I had to line it, so I thought I am going to show you step by step how to line this bag. Last week, this is a continuation of last week's tutorial. I showed you last week how to put the zipper on this kind of bag. So this week I want to show you how to do the lining of this bag, and if you are interested on actually crocheting this bag, I'm going to release the pattern and the video tutorial next week, so you can come back next week and check the step-by-step tutorial on how to crochet this Bottega Veneta kind of bag. And so without further ado, let me just get into it. So to do the lining, I have choose this fabric over here. I like the combination of these two. So first of all, I am going just to take the shape of the bag over here and do two pieces of that. So first I have to lay flat very well the fabric, and then I'm going to place here and draw this part over here. So once I did some points, yeah, you can see here more or less, then I will now perfect and do the kind of the right size. So I will just connect all these points together. If you want, you can draft a pattern for that and just use it if you want to make more bags, but I'm just gonna make this one, so I don't need to have a paper pattern. So once the pattern is drawn, and it's not really perfect, but I'm gonna fix it once I cut it. I will just cut it out. Okay, here we are. I did one piece and now I'm going to just do the same one more. Okay, you guys, here it is. I did cut two pieces the same, and now I do need to sew them all together. I am going to sew them on this side, and then I am going to insert them here, and of course I am going to sew the lining like this. So first let me sew the lining all around. Okay, you guys, so here we are. I did sew all around, and I'm not going to turn from inside out because now I'm going to take my work and I'm just going to insert it in here. I will take some pins and I will pin it all around, and then I will just sew it. This is how it looks like. Now I am just going to sew from inside here with a very, very thin thread. And here we are. I did sew the lining from inside. It looks like this. So the lining is in. With that, this tutorial is done. I really hope that you enjoyed this very short tutorial. If you are looking exactly for this bag, I'm going to release the pattern, the video tutorial step by step, and the written pattern next week. But if you are from the future, you can probably already see this video tutorial of this specific bag. I will leave for you all the links in the description box if you are looking for the tutorial of this bag, or if you are looking for the written pattern on my website of this bag. So thank you for watching, and bye bye.